Daniel's the light J.A. Calling all ladies and gentlemen. The 6, the quenga and the 4 gen of them. The fancy, the shinging and the twinkle them. And don't be selfish, share it with a Christian friend.
Wagwan my delightful peeps, welcome back to another video from Daniel's Delight JA. Today I am showing you how to make this delicious mouth-watering mango, cucumber and tomato salad. So to make my salad, I am using mangoes, cucumbers and tomatoes, which I have cut into bite-sized cubes. And to flavor all of those, I am using lime juice, pepper flakes, brown sugar, salt, and a pinch of black pepper. So it's very simple. Just get a bowl and we're gonna combine everything. So I'll add my mangoes, my cucumbers, my tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and then I'll sprinkle my sugar, black pepper, pepper flakes and salt over it. And then I'll just use a spoon and give this a good mix. So just ensure it's all coated in the lime juice and the pepper flakes and the black pepper and the salt. And there you have it. Looks delicious. Perfect for the summertime. The full recipe for my mango, tomato and cucumber salad will be in the description box below. Show some love by subscribing to my channel, turn on your post notification bell, like my video, leave a comment about my mango, cucumber, tomato salad, and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.